Hi guys, this is Anna. Welcome to my vlog. May tawa. Okay, today is December 26. So, mag-unbox tayo ng mga regalong na na-receive ko for Christmas. Gift. Thank you sa mga nag-regalo. So, first thing, ito yung nakuha ko sa exchange gift namin. Meron kami exchange gift worth $50. Diba? Dahil winter ngayon. So nice. Let's try it. I like it. Tinitingnan-tingnan ko lang to sa winners. Ayun, ay nasa. Kaya pala ayaw nilang ipabili sa akin to last time. At kaya pala siya nawala. Kaya pala siya nawala sa winners. Let's put this on. Medyo kaka-start pa lang naman ng ay, it's Calvin Klein. Tapos yung, is it good? Yeah. Sana marunong akong mag-edit. Thank you! Thank you, Ate Shi. Ay, Ate Shi ba nagbigay? Next. Gift from Kuya Roland and Ate Haj. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. It's my first time opening gifts like this. Wow! Curie pajama set. Oh, taray, nakaano pa. Nice. At parang ang laki. Feeling ko hindi to sa akin. Ay, hindi. Sakto lang small. Small pajama set. Ito sukat ko lahat. Let's try this. Kita ka, kuya? Cutie! Thank you! Talagang nakaganito na tuloy ako. From Ate Carm. Dalawang gift niya. Nice. Socks. And what's this? Charms. Gibbets. Wow! Pillowcase. Cute! Pinag-uusapan lang namin to last time. Sinasabi nila na yung polo ko na satin is like a pillowcase. And now I have pillowcase and it's the same color. Kulay pink. Wow, thank you. Thank you, Ate Carms. I'll use it na agad-agad. This one, I know it's my gift for myself. From Kuya. Thank you, boys. Kuya Solomon. Oh, another one.
Exactly for the
I have black like, black na ganito, na bonnet. Oh, I have another one. Nice. Thank you. May pagpipilian na ako. It's brown or black. Nice. Kung gusto kong mag-black or mag-brown. Thank you. First time ko ano ang winter ng full winter. And there's a mag. Uy, red mag. Thank you. And cherry body butter. What's this? Hand cream? I think it's a hand cream. Hand cream ba to, kuya? Thank you. Ganda ng mga ano nila, mga boxes for the design. Dry skin. Oh, it's a ano, parang it's like a hand cream lotion something. Ano smell is. Oh, close pa. It's like a lotion pala. It's like a hand cream, but it's in a... Pwede mo siyang dalhin whenever you go kasi maliit lang siya. Thank you! Sana tama ang mga pinagsasabi ko, no? Another one. Gift from Ate Violet and Beige. Wow. Ayos yung pagkakalap. Oh, may design pa. Oh, it's a set. Shower gel. Relaxing bath gift. It's a body lotion, bath crystals, body scrub, and shower gel. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Shi. And this one's from Ate April. Thank you to April. I don't know what's this. Diba? Sabi pagkakabalot. Ginalingan. What's this? Oh, it's shoes. But I doubt it's a shoes. It's just a wrap. It's just a box. I don't think it's a shoes. I know na. I know na about this. Sinabi niya na to sa akin. I think. It's like a kumot. Sabi ko na Why it's pink? Why it's everything's pink? Talaga? Bili ko nag-usap kayo. Nice. I'm so pink. Butterfly. Ready na ang maligo. Maligo, matulog, at mag-winter. Ay, okay, that's it. Thank you. That's what I get from the, ano yun? Mini. This one's gift from Ate Rem. Thank you, Ate Rem. And family. Give me some hand soap and hand cream from Ate Rem. This is what I got from our mini gift. And that's it for my first vlog. First serious vlog. serious vlog. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.